I've been talking to myself. And this is the center log by FRC. It's a 3-inch wood. There's a little cut through here somewhere. Hope I find it soon. Oh, here we are. Try this right here. There's a path over here. I can see it. There it is. Yeah, this is when I discovered that drones had brakes. I was watching a video. The guy's going straight for the wall and just stopped and turned. I'm like, well, son of a bitch. No, mine just went into the wall. So yeah, a lot of experience, but also I took some time off, and for some reason, like 4 months, started when it started getting in the 90s and the hundreds all over and everything. I started staying in the house, not even practicing on the simulator. Matter of fact, I went to learning more about video. And trying to get that flow. And when I came back to it, I was doing stuff that, don't laugh, that I was doing in the simulator. And so, you know, me and somebody was trying to figure out, they said, you probably lost that fear. I was like, oh, that might be it too, you know. And that's right, I just landed it on the table. I did. Okay, let me show you. Can you see it? Can you see it? Let's see if I can get to it. Oh, I am here. And the barrier fell off of it and everything. But yeah, this reminds me of Ken Harron. See, I landed it on the table. Badly, but cool.